What's up, everybody? Welcome. So this is going to be another video on Meerkat through the D5 wallet. We'll do a 14-day review. But first, let's look at so here's what MM Finance, the MMF token's doing the past 1 day. So it looks pretty good. Here's a 7-day chart. That looks even better, huh? Until you look at the 3-month chart. Yeah. I did buy a bunch up here, so we're stuck in those. And if you're like me and you did buy up here, there's no point in selling, you guys. You just buy more down here. Buy some more passive income streams. We'll see what CRO token's doing. Up to 12 cents. So it's doing pretty good too. Here's the 1 day on Chronos. Nice. Here's the 7-day. So the market's showing some life. All right, we're gonna go back to the DeFi wallet. I'm gonna go to Meerkat Finance and reinvest my stuff. Guys, this video is not for financial advice. This is not investment advice. But if you like this type of content and watching me earn passive income through these various ways, hit that like for me and subscribe for more. So I'm gonna go to the browser. If you're all new to this, if this is your first time or whatever, this is Cryptocom's D5 Wallet. Not this one, but they work great together. So you can get your fiat currency in and out on this one, and then you connect it to the wallet directly, to the DeFi wallet, and to send and receive between the two are cheap if not free. All right, so I'm gonna go to the browser here on the bottom, and I'm gonna go to Meerkat Finance and see what happened. I've been focusing a lot on this one because I like it, and Meerkat crashed substantially more than other altcoins that came out here on the Chronos blockchain. The Chronos blockchain itself is still brand spanking new. I mean, it came out at the end of last year or the beginning of this year. So here's Meerkat Finance. I'm gonna go to this earn section. I'm gonna go to farms. So the farms is where you provide liquidity to any pair of tokens on the list, and you earn these high APRs, even 50% APR. You know, I'll look at this one, 198. I'm staying away from the USD pairs because the market's so crashed right now. Because you have more of a risk of impermanent loss when you're with a USD pair, because the token takes off in value and the USD does not, and then the contract finds a balance of value in between the two tokens you supplied. So if you went to withdraw it, you'd actually have less MMF. There it goes, finally. So it's just about like the previous week. I just started covering the skin a couple weeks ago after I got up to $100 in there, and I'm on about $100. I'm earning last time was 280. We're at 276 weekly off that. And so then what we're going to do now is instead of having this sit here, we're going to harvest it and then restake it into the pool. Yeah. So I'll have to go create LP tokens and all that, but so it's going to charge me 2 CRO to harvest it. So there goes 22 cents. So it's going to eat into my profits here for the fees. That's all right. So I'm going to take 25% of this and reserve it for the fees, and then restake the rest. All right, the MMF token is in my wallet. Now I'm going to go to trade right here and go purchase some more liquidity tokens, and I'll show you how that's done. So I actually have to go to exchange first, and I'm going to select MMF at the top here and select CRO on the bottom. I'm just gonna do 50%. I think I have enough. I think I have enough CRO on my balance to get in the pool. We'll find out. So 50%. So you have to have an equal value um, of the two tokens to supply liquidity. So we're gonna swap that into half of the MMF into CRO, and then confirm that. Charge me 1.2 CRO. Transaction complete. Now that we have the two tokens, now we go to trade, and then liquidity. And then add liquidity. Now I'm going to select MMF and CRO. Because this is the pool I'm in that I want to reinvest in. So I'm taking my earnings. Oops, what I do? Taking my earnings, harvesting them, splitting them into the two coins, and then adding more liquidity. So I'm gonna hit maximum on the MMF side. So that'll be 23 MMF, 11 CRO, and I'm gonna go to supply. Confirm supply. Pay the fee. All right, now it'll show my pool tokens right here. So I'm going to go stake. Now I've created the LP tokens, the liquidity provider tokens. And so the more of these you have staked, the more fees you gather from other people coming in and trading. And that's where the money comes from, is liquidity provider fees. It's not just some Ponzi. And this is, if any of y'all don't know, this is not just a website. This is a decentralized application. It has no central server. It exists on the blockchain. So that's what's up. So now that I've created the LP token, I'm going to go to earn. I'm going to go to farms. And here we are. This is my LP pair that I'm aiming on, harvesting, farming on. I'm still getting this rate has been holding real steady between. This is the lowest I've seen it for a while. It's been between 180 up to 205% APR. And where this APR comes from, since we're earning money on the fees for people trading this two tokens, this APR depends on the 24-hour volume trading activity. So if the 24-hour volume goes up, the rate goes up. So I'm going to click this little plus button, and that's how I'm going to add more LP tokens to the stake pool. And I'm going to click maximum. And so off of $2.80, I'll the annual return APY is $7.13 off of $2.80. If you made that in the thousands, put in 2,800 and you get 7,100 back. So it's definitely correct that the more you have in here, the more you make. But I'm starting small, so I got my max balance. I'm gonna hit confirm those LP tokens I just made. Hit confirm. Boom, there it is. All right, so you saw my staked coins just go up there. So, and it says 0 here. Watch, this goes up live. We're earning live. It'll take up eventually. So now I have $112 worth in the pool. I'm not worried about the dollar amount, but this is a great rate. So look at, there's $8 million in liquidity in the pool. If you owned like a big portion of that, like half of it, then you would get actually more fees from the trading volume. See, it goes up live. We're earning live here. That's it, guys. So that's how I restake my my MMF back into the pool, and that's how we do that. Okay. So it's making good return at 181% APR. That's about 0.5% per day, right? So that's awesome. And these funds are not locked, they're not time locked. I can remove these anytime by hitting that minus button, but I won't earn anymore if I take them out. So that's how we do. This is a 2-week review. I'm making it was about just the same the week prior, $2.80 a week off of roughly $100. And I'm just restaking those back into the pool weekly, because it's the weekly compounding that's gonna turn this into a lot more, and then the value will go up too, and then I'll be making more MMF faster. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.